Hello students, today in class 9th maths we have a chapter Hero's formula. By using Hero's formula we find the area of scalene triangle. Before this we had already studied the area of right angle triangle or area of triangle whose base and height is given, and by formula we find the area of an equilateral triangle. We study in this chapter Hero's formula area of an scalene triangle. Area of a scalene triangle. Before this, since we know that area of triangle, the triangle is given by half base into perpendicular height. So you see, we make a triangle. Its base is BC and perpendicular height AD is perpendicular to BC. Its AD is perpendicular height. Its base is BC and it is AD is its perpendicular height. Similarly, area of triangle also you can find area of right triangle. PQR. Its base is RQ and perpendicular height is PQ. Area of right triangle also you can find by using this formula of base into height. This is base and this side is height. In this figure, base is BC and AD is perpendicular height. If these two sides are given, then you can find area of triangle. Now we shall study area of a scalene triangle in this chapter to see how we find area of a scalene triangle. Students, see area of scalene triangle, how we can find area of a scalene triangle whose all three sides are not equal. Scalene triangle, a triangle whose all sides are different. Its angle, the side which is an opposite to angle A, BC side we suppose as A, and CA side is as small b, and AB side is by small c. We mention here BC is equal to small a, CA is equal to small b, and AB is equal to small c. Since we know that perimeter is triangle is sum of all sides, 2s is equal to a plus b plus c. This is called perimeter of triangle. Here s is semi-perimeter, that is a plus b plus c by 2. By using this we can find area of triangle. Area of triangle is equal to under root s minus a, s minus b and s minus c. This is the formula to find the area of triangle. This is called Hero's formula, under root s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Here ABC are sides of triangle ABC, and S is semi-perimeter, and S is semi-perimeter. Now student, we take a question to find the area of triangle by using Hero's formula. This is called Hero's formula. is under root s minus a, s minus b into s minus c. Here I have discussed it that a, comma b and c are the sides of triangle ABC and s is called semi-perimeter. If the value of s is, you can find the sum of all three sides divided by 2. Now we take a question and find its area by using Heron's formula. We have a question, find the area of triangle whose sides are 40 meter, 32 meter and 24 meter. Find the area of triangle whose sides are 40 meter, 32 meter and 24 meter. We mention here a triangle. Its sides are 40 meter, 32 meter and 24 meter. Here we have A is equal to 40 meter, B is equal to 32 meter and C is equal to 24 meter. 2s is equal to here A plus B plus C. So 2s becomes 40 plus 32 plus 24. It is 6, 3, 5, 96. 2s equal to 96, x equal to 48 meter. Now area of triangle. Under root s 48 s minus a, 48 minus 40 s minus b, 48 minus 32. Now s minus b, 48 minus 24. 48 can be written as 6 into 8. Yeah, 16 into 3 into 8. 48 minus 48 is 8. 48 minus 32, 16. 48 minus 24, it is 24. So here we have square root of 16 is 4, square root of 16 is 4, and here 8 3 and 8 3 24 also whole square. Here square root of 16 4, square root of this 16 is also 4, 8 3 24, here also 24, it is 24. 4 4 is 16 into 24. It is 16 4 is 64, 16 to the 32 or 6, 384. 384 meter square. So we have given sides of triangle. Sides are 40 meter, 32 meter and 24 meter. We have to find the area of this triangle. We suppose it sides of triangle are A equal to 40 meter, B equal to 32 meter, C equal to 24 meter. Since we know that perimeter of triangle is 2s equal to A plus B plus C, we find the value of 2s 96 meter. Therefore, s is equal to 48 meter. 96 upon 2, 48 meter. Now we use here Heron's formula, area of triangle under root s, s minus a, s minus b and s minus c. Put the value of given result s 48, s minus b, 48 minus 40 that is 8, 48 minus 32 16, 48 minus 24 24. It is 16 into 3 48, 48 minus 48. It is 48 minus 32 16, 48 minus 24 24. Here 8 3 are 24, here 24 24. Here its square becomes square root of 16 is 4, square root of 16 is 4. Now we get the area of triangle by using Heron's formula. Thank you, students.